Welcome back to Word Journey, the channel where we learn, grow, and discover how to make every day count. Let me ask you a serious question. How much time have you wasted today? Be honest. Did you spend an hour scrolling through your phone? Watching random videos? Thinking you'll start something later? We all do it. But the truth is, time is the one thing we can never get back. You can lose money and earn it again. You can fail and try again. But once time is gone, it's gone forever. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important lessons in life, why you should stop wasting time, and how to make every moment meaningful. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to take control of your time, your habits, and your future. Let's begin your word journey toward a more focused, purposeful life. Section 1. Why time is so valuable. Time is life. Every second that passes is a piece of your life you'll never get back. Think about it. One day, you wake up and a year has passed. You ask yourself, where did all that time go? Most people underestimate how valuable time really is. We act as if we have unlimited time, but we don't. There's a powerful saying, don't say you don't have enough time. You have the same hours in a day as everyone else, from the richest person to the poorest. The difference isn't how much time we have, it's how we use it. Section 2. The cost of wasted time. Let's talk about what happens when you waste time. Every time you delay your goals, skip your plans, or spend hours doing nothing important, you're making a choice. You're choosing comfort now over success later. When you say, I'll do it tomorrow, you're training your mind to avoid effort. And slowly, procrastination becomes a habit. Ask yourself, how many goals have I postponed? How many dreams have I said maybe later to? How many opportunities have I missed because I wasn't ready? Wasting time doesn't hurt immediately. It's like a slow leak in your life. You don't notice it until it's too late. But the good news is you can stop it today. Section 3. How to stop wasting time. Let's look at some practical ways to stop wasting time and use it wisely. 1. Know your priorities. You can't do everything, but you can do what matters most. Write down your top 3 priorities, the things that will truly move your life forward. Then, focus on them every day. 2. Set daily goals. Start each morning by asking yourself, what are the 3 most important things I need to do today? When you know what matters, it's easier to say no to distractions. 3. Avoid the just for a minute trap. You open social media just for a minute and suddenly an hour disappears. Be aware of how easily time slips away. 4. Use your free time wisely. Even small moments count. Listen to something educational while walking or waiting. Read a few pages of a book before bed. Those small habits build big results. 5. Reflect on your day. Before sleeping, ask yourself, did I use my time well today? If not, think about what you can improve tomorrow. Awareness is the first step to change. Section 4. Value every moment. Every person you admire, successful entrepreneurs, great leaders, top performers, they all have one thing in common. They value their time. They know that every hour is a chance to learn, grow, and create something meaningful. So stop waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. There is only now. If you keep waiting for tomorrow, you'll never start. If you keep saying later, you'll keep missing chances. But if you start today, even with one small step, your future will thank you. Section 5. Final message. Remember this: your time is your life. Don't waste it on people who don't value you. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. And don't waste it waiting for a better moment, because this moment right now is your opportunity. Every second is a choice. You can spend it scrolling, complaining, or doubting yourself. Or you can spend it learning, creating, and moving closer to your goals. Make the decision today to use your time wisely. Because every day you waste is a day you'll never get back. But every day you use well brings you closer to the life you dream of. Conclusion. Thank you for watching Word Journey. I hope this message reminds you to protect your time and use it with purpose. If this video inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Word Journey, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more motivational lessons like this. Now, take a deep breath, look at your day, and ask yourself, am I using my time to build the life I want? The clock is ticking and your journey starts now.